To transfer from Coinbase to Sway Wallet, start by opening your Coinbase account and navigating to the dashboard. Click on the Send, Receive button and select the cryptocurrency you want to transfer, such as Bitcoin or Ethereum. Next, go to your Sway wallet and click on the Receive button. Select the same cryptocurrency you chose in Coinbase and copy the wallet address. Return to Coinbase and paste the Sway wallet address into the To field. Enter the amount you want to transfer and review the transaction details. Before confirming the transaction, ensure you have sufficient funds and that the network fees are reasonable. If everything looks correct, confirm the transaction and wait for the transfer to be processed. It is essential to note that transfer times and fees may vary depending on the cryptocurrency and network congestion. Always double-check the wallet address to avoid sending funds to the wrong account. Additionally, be aware of any minimum or maximum transfer limits and potential taxes associated with the transfer. Once the transfer is complete, you can verify the balance in your Sway wallet. To do this, navigate to the wallet dashboard and check the balance of the transferred cryptocurrency. By following these steps and taking the necessary precautions, you can successfully transfer from Coinbase to Sway wallet and start exploring the Sway ecosystem. Remember to always prioritize security and follow best practices when managing your cryptocurrency assets.